Every cup of tea starts with a simple decision between tea bags and loose leaf. Many people instinctively choose tea bags because they are quick, convenient, and easy to find in the grocery store, but the right tea infuser makes preparing a cup of loose leaf just as easy as bagged tea and even more delicious.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best tea infusers in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Yoassi Stainless Steel Tea Infuser. Yoassi's stainless steel tea infuser is our favorite pick for many reasons. It features extremely fine mesh with holes that are small enough to stop the tiniest of pieces from getting through, a large well, and wings, or handles, that span 5 inches, making it suitable for both mugs and teapots. Made from stainless steel, it's built to last many uses, and it can be rinsed in the dishwasher for a fuss-free cleanup. It even comes with a lid that prevents the tea leaves from coming up over the sides of the infuser into the cup of tea. All Recipes All-Star Jill Trey uses her Yoassi infusers several times per week and sometimes daily, and especially appreciates that they're durable, rust-proof, and easy to use and clean. Number 2. Finum Reusable Stainless Steel Coffee. Tea leaves love space to roam around. The more room, the better flavor. That's why basket-shaped infusers are so popular and effective, perhaps none more so than the Finum brewing basket. It's large enough for tea leaves to diffuse into every nook and cranny of your mug, and its microfine mesh traps in the smallest tea particles. The mesh is even fine enough to brew coffee. According to our tester, this tea infuser surpassed all expectations. He not only found it one of the easiest infusers to use, but also one of the best at keeping pesky tea leaves out of your drink. When brewing, all you have to do is scoop tea into the basket, place the basket in your mug, pour hot water, and wait. Number 3. Tea Forte Kati Steeping Cup and Infuser. If you're in the market for a new favorite teacup that includes an infuser, consider the Tea Forte Kati Steeping Cup. It's a favorite among tea lovers thanks to its beautiful design, quality construction, and great results. Many happy customers say they either received or gave the item as a gift, so keep that in mind for the next holiday or special occasion. Our reviewer echoed this thought, too, after seeing how pretty the item is in person. The thick, double-walled ceramic keeps tea hot longer than many standard mugs will. Just watch out when grabbing. Our tester found the mug too hot to touch for a couple of minutes after he steeped Reusable's tea in 212-degree water. When steeping sencha green tea around 170 degrees, however, the exterior stayed cool. Number 4. VAHDAM Classic Tea Infuser. With its extensive collection of teas and teaware, VAHDAM is a go-to brand for many tea drinkers. One affordable accessory from the company we recommend is its classic tea infuser. The basket-style infuser is large enough for a single serving of tea or a full teapot's worth, and our tester found it very dependable for keeping leaves out of his drink. Despite the item's durability and quality stainless steel, it has a pervasive design flaw that our expert encountered during the testing process and saw multiple online reviewers mention. The lid, which also functions as a drip tray, may not fully close. Aside from that, our tester gave the item a sparkling review. It's easy to use, the two little wings on either side of the basket stay cool to touch, and it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning is simple, too. Number 5. OXO BREW Twisting Tea Ball Infuser. Infusers with handles offer a couple advantages over conventional tea balls. They are easier to control when steeping and less likely to make a mess. The OXO BREW Twisting Tea Ball Infuser is our top pick in the category because it takes these advantages and adds a few unique touches of its own. Most notable is the twisting handle that opens and closes the infuser ball. Our product tester called it a smooth and simple mechanism that sets the item apart from other handled infusers. Very small traces of tea leaves, more like fannings and tea dust, escaped from the basket during the testing process, which means the infuser did an excellent job overall in that regard. He was also a big fan of the sleek and elegant design, accented by the black handle. That was our list of the top 5 best tea infusers just for you.